we're in the woods. We're gonna see cool animals. We're gonna see snakes, possums, a lot of animals, and you're gonna follow me and my tracks. And we're in the forest with a lot of animals.
Okay.
We're gonna have a lot of fun. I think this way. Oh no, we have to go over there.
Chickens?
So now we're in the chicken area. So we have a lot of chickens here. And there's a lot of chickens. The lay eggs to have a lot of animals. So let's keep going. Chickens are birds. And they're free ones. Get away, chicken nugget. Come on, my chicken nugget. I know where to go. I've been here before. The alligator thing. So these are Africa alligators. They're only a baby. There's no big ones in here. There's supposed to be 3 of them. Well, we only see one, so there's one alligator. And let's go to the next one. So now we're in the goat area. So we see only one goat. Goats are so cool that have a big skull on their head. And there are chickens inside. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, turtle, forgot. The dig hole. So turtle, dig hole, somewhere over there. So this week, yes. So when I went to my school, I saw one burying the hole there and there. So let's keep moving. Turtles have big shells. We're in the bridge. Now we're in the bridge. Cannot see animals yet. Let's go. Catch up, guys. Those cool ones, and we have to keep going, okay? I don't know how long this is. So crazy. Grass. Well, it's a spider web, so we're gonna keep moving. It's right there. It's white, so there's probably an animal in there, and there's an animal. So come on, guys. How long did this take, guys? Guys, now we see a pig and an owl. The owl's inside here. And be very quiet. Right there. Yeah, guys. Two piggies. Oinky oink. I oinky oink. I'm gonna touch. So now we're in the pig area. They're saying oinky oink. I don't know why. They're so funny. Well, they're just, I don't know what to say. How am I gonna touch them? Piggy, I'm gonna touch you. That one looks kind of like a cheetah. Hey, Cheeto Pig, you want to touch me? This is kind of fun. Yeah, we just keep moving. I think they don't want to touch us. Oh, probably there's alligators here again. The kids were a lot. Generally, there's an alligator inside there. I don't know if there's an animal inside here. Do not. I don't know what that means. Let's go back. Yeah, we have to go back. They'll close it now. We can't go back, okay, guys? We can't go. We cannot go. That's where we were the whole time. We go. Hi, pig. Can I touch you now? Can I touch the pig now? Okay, I don't know. I thought we were gonna touch the pig again. He's quiet about it. Guys, I think we have to go over there. We've been here. Be careful. You didn't get here yet. It's a tricky one. Yeah, it's finally the museum. Let's go to the museum, guys. There. Guys, look. This is where animals were alive because they're still alive. These are like animals died. Look at that big one. Look at that. God, look at this skull. Look at all these animals. They're so cool. They look kind of real. Then some of the and these are so cool. The birds were cannot work eggs there. These are bird nests. Guys, just keep going. These are some more things there. The fake birds. These are all the skulls.
I know you were that guy.
Whoa, we have an alligator skull. We have a snake skull right here. Guys, this is what the pig we just saw. Guys, we just saw this pig. Whoa. This alligator we have a turtle, and look at this alligator. Is it real or fake? Who's there? Is it fake or real? Huh?
Fake?
Fake. We have one turtle. Aiden was right. We don't see some turtles. We have more turtles here. I think. Whoa, I didn't even see that. Look. Whoa. We have corn here and fish that look so cool. And let's go more. After I didn't expect it. I never been here. Well, they have cage. Whoa. Still I just see snakes right there. This is a snake skin. Let's see what is inside here. More snakes. Well, let's get out of here. I can't see the snake. Let's go to it. Wow, snake. Venomous snake, and it can bite you right there. Let's go to the next one, guys. Is that real or fake? Is that real? Oh, I saw it there. Whoa, that one has a tail already. It's like a dinosaur. This is how they can roll their tails. Oh, snakes. Now, what? An orange snake. There's an orange snake in here. Guys, there's an orange snake. What the? Oh, that is so long. Guys, what is in here? Another snake? I see. There's another snake. Guys, there's another snake in there. How many snakes came? Okay, so we have to go to the next one. Why is that one be like a statue? We're gonna do a game, we're gonna feel it, okay? I feel bumpy stuff. Is that stone? It looks like it. We'll do the next one and feel it. It feels like a bone. It's a bone? So let's see what is in here. Ah! I was scared. I think there's a real snake in there. Can I just touch a little? I'm kind of scared. It feels like a snake. Oh, the last one. This feels like a rock. That's cool, guys. The end of the fourth. So we had a lot of fun. I hope you have a lot of fun and never grow up. Bye bye.